The Corner Chamfer command creates a flat beveled surface on a vertex in your model, and honestly, there are not a lot of bells and whistles to this feature. To create a corner chamfer, go to the chamfer drop-down menu and choose Corner Chamfer, then pick the vertex where you want to locate it. I'm going to show you the placement tab. The only thing there is the name of the vertex that you are using, and you have 3 different dimensions. And right now my dimensions are very big. You have drag handles that you can use to adjust the size of it, and you can also double click on the dimensions to manually enter in values. Be aware that you're not able to locate them using geometry like a point or anything. It's just numbers. And once you plug in the values that you want, you can hit the check mark or the middle mouse button, and the corner chamfer will be created in your model. For more information, please visit www.creowindshield.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.